Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to create this without any plugin in After Effects. Let's start. Okay guys, welcome back. I'm gonna give link for this layer in description below. So firstly let's select this layer and right mouse and go to create and create shapes from vector layer. And now go to FX presets, search for CC ball. And let's double click here, nice. And now hold alt and click this rotation and let's write time.15. Okay, nice. And now go to twist angle, let's hold shift and change like this. Okay, this one is better. And now let's change grid spacing, let's make it 3 or maybe 2, okay. And ball size, let's decrease it, let's make it 65. Okay, it's a lot. Now let's change grid spacing again and make this one 45. Okay, nice. And now let's hold out, click here again and let's write expression. Let's make it time.1050. Let's check it. Okay, nice. Let's change scatter. Make it maybe 2 or 1. Okay, 1 is better. And now select this shape layer and go to FX presets, search for transform. Let's use it. Let's change rotation like this. And also let's change scale. Let's check it. Okay, as you can see there is some problem. Let's change scale again. Let's check it again. Okay, this one is better. Now let's go to FX presets again. Let's search for gradient. Let's use for our shape layer. Nice. And let's change it like this. And let's change the colors. I'm gonna use red and blue. Okay, let's make it a little bit dark. Let's check it. Okay, this one is more realistic, but we want to make it more realistic, so I'm gonna use glow effect. Let's go to FX presets again and search for glow. Let's use for our shape layer again. Okay, now let's change some settings in glow. Let's make it 65 and glow radius to 4 and glow intensity to 1.6. Let's check it now. Okay, let's change the color of this gradient as well. Let's make it dark red. Okay, this one is good. Okay, let's see. Nice. Let's go to here and click right mouse and go to for solid. It's gonna be our background. Let's name it to background and make it black. And click OK. Let's move it to down. Let's select the shape layer and let's Ctrl D and go to here, change the scale and let's move it to the up. And let's change the gradient ramp places. Let's select this and go to gradient ramp and let's move this one to here and this one to here. Nice. Let's duplicate it again and change scale to 65 and move it to down. And let's change the colors again. Let's select this and go to gradient ramp and let's move this one to here and this to here. And now let's select these two shape layers, move to down. And now let's create the adjustment layer and move it to down. Let's name it to blur. Now go to FX presets, search for Gaussian blur. Now let's change blur. Okay, it's good. Now let's check it. Okay, this one is more realistic. Let's change the time of these shape layers. And let's select this outline tool and press E 2 times. And let's change it -15. And select this outline strip and press E 2 times. And let's change these ones to -25. And let's close it. Okay, let's check it now. Okay, this is good. Nice. Okay, now let's add some particles to our background. Let's select the background, go to FX presets, search for particle. Now let's select the particle playground. Let's move it to up. Now let's open the Canon and change the direction to 180. Now let's change the velocity. Okay, and let's change the barrel radius. Let's increase it. Okay, let's check it. Okay, it's a little bit fast. So let's change the speed. Let's make it 5. And this one to 20. Let's check it now. Let's make it 60 actually. And let's change this one to 5. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe channel and leave a comment in my video. See you in the next videos.